So in our previous video, we spoke about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and the Xtra Muse 2 Pro, how they're connected and what that means for the US market, including the potential downsides. If you missed that, you can check that video right up here. Why does this matter right now? Because DJI has officially teased the device on platforms like Weibo, and at the same time, massive leaks from reliable sources plus recent influencer photo shoots make it pretty clear that preparations for a global launch are already in full swing. So yeah, it's about time we speak about the specs. Alright, quick recap on the camera without dragging it out. We're looking at a dual camera setup with a true 3x optical zoom, meaning actual focal length switching instead of digital tricks. The main sensor is expected to be 1-inch class, so you can expect better dynamic range and low light performance building on what we've already seen with Pocket 3 and 4. On the video side, things get interesting. Some leaks point to 6K recording, but that part isn't consistent across sources. What does show up repeatedly is 4K at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color support with D-Log, and higher bitrate capture aimed at those of us with demanding editing workflows. It's also expected to deliver around 14 stops of dynamic range, giving you much more room to work with in post. Stabilization sticks with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, now paired with what's expected to be Active Track 7, bringing improved subject tracking, along with upgrades to face tracking and gesture controls. Audio is expected to carry over all the upgrades we saw recently, so think a multi-mic array with 4-channel recording, along with direct support for wireless mic transmitters in creator bundles, giving you a much more flexible and cleaner audio workflow overall. Storage should follow the same approach. Expect around 107 gigabytes of built-in internal storage with transfer speeds up to 800 megabytes per second, so faster offloads and far less reliance on microSD, just like what we've already seen. Battery details aren't fully locked in, but expect a larger capacity to handle longer recording sessions and higher performance demands, along with fast charging via USB-C. The display will be a rotating touchscreen, refined for better brightness and responsiveness. Controls should include a dedicated zoom button, a customizable function button, and an improved joystick for more precise control. Connectivity will include Wi-Fi 6 and USB 3.1, enabling faster previews, transfers, and overall smoother workflow with the app. Design-wise, it's expected to be larger and thicker, mainly to accommodate the optical zoom system, bigger battery, and improved thermals. There's also likely a magnetic mounting system for quick accessory attachment. So when is it dropping, and how much is it going to cost? While the standard Pocket 4 launched in mid-April, the Pro version appears to have been slightly delayed to avoid cannibalizing sales of the base model. Current expectations point to a May or June 2026 release window. Pricing leaks from China suggest around 4,999 RMB, which roughly converts to 700 to 730 US dollars, with additional bundles like a creator combo expected to include extras such as a touchscreen remote and expanded audio gear. Peace.